Hey guys, welcome to the Willey Quick YouTube channel. This is where we'll be doing more in-depth videos on the tools we make for the paintless dent repair industry.
We're here in the Willey Quick PDR tool store located in Denver, Colorado, and today we're talking about our Packout tops. The WQ1 mounts directly and easily on top of your Packout boxes. No extra parts, no hassle. It also comes with a cutout foam organizer to keep your tips and accessories right where you need them. Plus, 2 red Willey Quick grip shells. WQ1 is durable and gives you plenty of room for staging all of your tools, essential for paintless dent repair.
The WQ2 uses Milwaukee's small organizing tray to lock securely into your Packout. This not only gives you a rock solid fit, but lets you organize your small PDR tools like glue tabs, tips, and other essentials right inside the tray. It's stability and organization built into one system.
Over the years, we've made slight adjustments to both versions, always looking for ways to improve. Every change is made with PDR professionals in mind, keeping the focus on efficiency, durability, and real-world performance.
Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll be posting more in-depth videos on the different features of the WQ1 and the WQ2.
Thanks. See you on the next one.